how to auto post installment according to date. At first we have to scroll down up to 60 as our installment quantity was 60, and we have to type here installment per month in this cell and C4. At first we have to type date. So here the date was January 2021, and here is the music. If we have to put if condition formula, if B5 greater than 2D, then comma C4 comma inverted comma double inverted comma, then close the bracket. And here is the music. If we change it as today date is 18 July 2021, the installment will post July 1st 2023, and if we add here, and we will see here this cell shows formula but no data. Why? Because the date was greater than today date, and our formula was today date will be greater than their fixed date. So if we change this date, and we will see first in YOLO raw or YOLO cell. If you want more videos from Act Mobile Excel, please subscribe my channel and like, share and comment.